Hello YouTube. So we are. My new acquisition. Dementor! Team Cardi. Oh yeah, it's fantastic. It's flipping-tastic. It's amazing, actually. It's just put you up there like that. It's an amazing car. This. I've decided that it's amazing. Absolutely incredible. Just a few little bits on the box. So here we are. Just give you a little. I know there's some unboxings on here already, but it's tells you its little bits and bobs. 4-pole, 2050 kV, 4-6S motor. 20 kg metal geared steering servo, that's good. But I think it only runs at 6 volts. I might have to change that. It's at 7.4 volts because you can switch it, I think, on this particular car. So yeah, that'll be good. Be okay. What else it says on here? Splash proof. Oh, something like that, you know. But, yeah, it's good. It's good. Oh, look at this. Look at it. Look at that. Just look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? Look, this shell. I love this shell. It's so, God, it's wicked. What a wicked shell. There. Have a look in there. Look. Look at that. Look. Now, is that cool or what? That is mega. Metal shocks with threaded bodies so you can adjust them. Love this rear wing and this wheelie bar. That's wonderful. It's great. It's excellent. These tyres are brilliant as well. Nice and soft, lots of grip, loads and loads of grip. 17 mil. Yeah, it's all good. That's the steering servo. Haven't run it yet, it's not even been run yet, so it's got these pivot balls on here. I don't know what they'll be like. Could be interesting, couldn't it? That's the motor. I mean, that's a big motor. That is a big motor. Big one, that's a big motor. Nice chassis. This is version 1. Version 2 is, from what I can see, is almost basically the same, except it's got a front protection there and a front protection on the back, and a couple of other slightly different things. But other than that, it's all, the chassis is all exactly the same, and the running gear is all the same as far as I could see. Tyres are the same, so they've sort of. This is mega. This wheelie bar. That is a mega wheelie bar. Mega. With the wing bolted to it. That's pretty good. It's all very well made. I noticed that these gearbox, these are screwed into the gearbox casing, and they hold the front suspension arm pins. I noticed they're not bolted through the chassis on the front and on the back. So you've just got the 4 ones for the gearbox, and that is not bolted through on the chassis. I think that's going to be a little bit of a design fault, but it should be alright. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. A lot of fun. There's going to be a lot of funny moments, I think. Funny moments. Look at this, funny moments. I think it's pretty good. Pretty damn good. Let's put that on there. See if that'll stay there. Will it stay there? Yeah, now, this is the handset. I think enough said about that. It's the best. That's the handset. Yeah, that's it. Enough said about that. The better. You get the instruction manual, obviously. Well, that's not bad. The instruction manual. It's pretty good. Tells you what to do. Put your battery in. Set it up. I quite like this here. There's a bit here about. Oops, I knew that would fall off. There's a bit here about the diffs, which I think is actually quite interesting. It tells you it may be necessary to replace the silicone oil every 50 runs, and tells you how to do it. They come out quite easily. It's not going to be difficult. And it tells you here to put 3, 7 and 5, 3 in the rear, which is quite interesting. So I shall do exactly what they've said, basically. And it also tells you to check your gear mesh, which I shall do before I run it. So that's quite nice. I quite like that. Tells you how to do your shocks, which is quite good. That's quite nice, really. It's not bad. Not bad at all. And tells you what shock oil to use. There's an explosion of all the inside of the chassis and the diffs. It's quite nice. And then you get all your parts here. Cool, holding this is a flipping nightmare. Get all your different parts and part numbers. So that's quite nice. All lists of them there. You can get the shell if you want. Tyres separate. There's a few little hop-ups you can get for it. And it comes with an aluminium steering servo horn, which I think is that's quite nice. That's quite good. Quite impressed with that. That's quite nice, really. I mean, it's quite something that comes with that. And yeah, I like it. It's all good. And just turn it round. Have a look at the other side. Obviously, I've already sort of taken it out of the box and all that. But yeah, I like this. This is really good. Really, really well made, if you ask me. I think it's quite well made. It's pretty good. What I might do, just looking at it, what I might do is put these shock on the end hole, the shock adjuster. I might put them on the end hole, front and back. That might make it a bit more stable. As a basher, that might be a good thing. But yeah, definitely think this is one of the good ones. No doubt about that. So there'll be more on this fantastic radio controlled car channel that I do, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Looking forward to running this. See you later.